How they do that so fast? That shit is funny, Sam. He's like, no offense, dude, you sound like Cole.
Damn.
Sound like a big fucking Cole.
Wow.
This will give us extra eyes.
Like Cole. Sound like Cole.
Oh shit, there is left.
Got one on the right. Got the cash fire.
Oh yeah, they in the krill over here.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, that shit is.
Who needs some ammo?
Oh shit, they got me. Did they come out the left?
It's a rush up top.
He's coming in the middle of it.
Hold that little fag.
Taking fire! This spot should help. Grenadier! Good to go!
Use it, you dick. That music nigga, he don't throw his nades out, he keep them. So yeah, when he go down,
Launching a spot grenade!
Here he comes. Breathe.
Grenadier! Incoming flag!
What's that?
On the right over there, down right. Turn around.
Stim needed!
nigga over there. Oh, shit.
There's a rest on the
Got him.
Shit. I didn't even see him, man. Fuck the guy.
What the? How that nigga make it through my fucking sentry?
My herb.
trying to shoot you from behind.
This will give us extra eyes!
Oh, this nigga is playing. Watch it go like I want to bring
On the left.
Oh yeah, I got him. I'm waiting for him.
Still in the back.
I was about to put my sentry up in this spot.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that worked too. I was using that.
Yeah. But you gotta wait for it, shit, because they ain't moving up for shit.
Yeah.
Alright, if you want to right now, do it.
Incoming flag!
Oh, you gotta be kidding me. That's just how I want to say it.
Oh shit.
Pocket full of dead guys.
Watch your back. Watch your back.
No, that's them safe.
Who walk on this mission? Oh shit, you almost got me, but you didn't.
Oh, come on.
Oh, that nigga ran through both of us.
I got it.
Alright, he coming in the middle, coming on the right. There you go, you see him. Okay. That should kill him. Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
Taking fire!
Oh, they got the right side? Yep, sure do.
Got a wretch on the left, yeah. I know he mad as hell.
Oh,
Hell yeah, he ran into that shit.
somebody shot me.
Oh, fucking bitch. Oh, he got medic. Medic? Where got he at?
He ain't playing.
There you go.
Grenade!
No, they got another wretch out there.
Yo,
They got another
Good to go!
Talk about Breed. He fucked up. He ended up kicking my body instead of punching you. Yeah, that was crazy.
Here they go, the left side, two of them.
Ammo out.
Three of them.
Three of them, man.
Lock and load!
I can't get it, bro.
He running to the right. That's Toby Bliss, bitch.
Alright, I got
Oh!
See what I see?
He ran into that shit.
I'm here!
Yeah, good shit. Dumbass nigga wasn't paying no attention.
Hell yeah.
Way about to scout that can't hit him first.
So hard to find good help.
Oh, you went on the left side.
Good to go!
Damn, he's hurt. There you go, hell yeah.
Looks like I got a hold on that shit.
Hey, are we letting them get to the next one? Letting them get to the next one?
Yeah, because I wanna raid you. I wanna be able to use
That makes for good video.
it.
So hard to find good help.
Somebody go put a sentry up over here on the left.
Oh damn.
I'll do it, hold on.
How did he not die, dude?
Oh, he moved, he's somewhere. Oh, I got him.
Sentry, y'all.
Alright, yeah, let him get in now, let him get it. Yeah, they only got 2.
Oh, yeah, I don't want the
shit.
finish.
I
Oh,
didn't
fuck.
even
I
see
don't want
the
that shit to make it.
Falling back!
I didn't even see that shit.
Bird. Going straight to the left.
I'll be in the middle. Booster.
Yep, left, I think.
Fuck that shit.
You did a bitch. Alright, here they come, left side.
There's the beat on the left. Help with the stair beat. Help with the stair beat.
Come on! This is my game!
Good for you, Go ahead, bro. You go back to the right. I took that nigga's head off over there.
Enemy spotted!
Alright, let me fix this shit.
You got a rage over on the left. What was that?
I'll show you this! Sure!
Mauler.
You're kind of dead!
Yep, Mauler.
This will give us extra! I'll show you this!
He trapped over here in this corner.
Hell yeah, got him. How's that right side fence doing? Alright. Ah! Oh, shit, you didn't need me.
Oh, music, you
Is he dancing on you?
We're cool. He's actually one of my friends.
Close that.
You know what I'm saying? No friend of mine.
Go ahead, get him. That razor.
Oh, we let him have the next one, or?
Damn it.
Oh, yeah, let me get it.
Alright. Hell no.
Oh, great! Good,
Yeah, that should take
good
forever.
to go!
That was that rage.
You put a century up before you left. I saw you breathe.
got 2 rages.
I got one.
He was like, oh, I want that raging. That's my favorite shit too, because you almost get 500 points for 2 shots basically.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, I know, one if you got a shot. The only thing I do is get up on that nigga. You see you hit that LB button, nigga, you gonna have a little fun on you.
Which one was it?
What was that?
Damn,
I
nigga.
guess Bree didn't want it.
Enemy spotted!
I'll live through all that.
Hell no.
Oh, did you see this cold hop on the trike and running? Then, like, come on.
Come on, let's go.
Toby, quick.
Right, little ass kid.
Fun, yeah.
That Zuma killer dude kept saying
Who was that?
Zuma killer.
I'm here!
I was gonna, oh, that's crazy. Yo, that's crazy. It didn't die.
Right side completely open. Shot him in the back of the head.
Revive me! Grenadier! Take some ammo!
Let's start those guys.
Oh, I can't even get over the next wall.
Oh, yeah, you right.
Yeah, I didn't see the other wall there.
You know what? Rex can knock you over, huh?
Some help!
Over the gate. Hit him over another gate. You know what
Fucking hit it. Alright, let me go find a new one.
This sucks.
destroyed this lobby. Took away all those niggas' hopes. They're cheating. They're not even aiming. How the fuck is that cheating? The faster shot, nigga.